Hello everyone and good evening. So we are going to start this Herons formula, and I have some memories related to this topic. When I was in 9th class, uh, I was in Hindi medium. We used to call it Herons ka Sutra, Herons ka Sutra, and my friends and my classmates used to say it Heroine ka Sutra. One day my principal came in my class and he asked one of them that which chapter you are doing right now in maths. So one of my friends says, "Sir, heroine ka sutra." Okay, so that's what the memory which is attached to with this chapter. When I was in 9th class, I think around 4, 6, and 3, 9 years ago. 9 years ago, I was in 9th class. So let's start this Heron's formula. So in 9th class, Heron's formula has only I think 2 exercises in NCERT, and it's not a like you have only one formula in this complete chapter. So examiner will not give you the simple question. Like examiner know that there is only one formula to use, so you can easily solve that if you have a simple question. So what he will do, he will do some twist in questions. He will do some twist in question. First, let's start with the area of triangle. How to find the area of triangle? Like I have a triangle. This is a triangle. How to find the area? You can consider one of the line. Like you have 3 lines. This is connected. Okay. You have 3 lines. Okay. Take one of the line. Let's say take this line. If you take this line, now you have to find the distance between this line and the point which is just opposite to it. Like this, you have to find distance. How to find the distance from between a line and point? How to find a distance? Like I have this point, I have this line. This cannot be the distance. This cannot be the distance. Distance will always what? That distance, if you are trying to find the distance, you have to make a perpendicular from the point on the line. Okay, so you have to make a perpendicular from this point to this line. This line known as the altitude or the height of the triangle with respect to this base, and the area of this triangle will be what? 1/2 base into height. Okay, base into height. So base is one of the lines, sir. Okay, most of cases we will get the all the lines of the triangle, we can take base, but height is a complicated part. If you have a right angle triangle like this, let's say this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. How to find the area of this right angle triangle? Sir, if you take this base, then height will be this. If you take this as base, then height will be this, and you can easily find the area. But mostly cases, if I will give you only the 3 lines of a triangle, you don't know it is a right angle triangle. Okay, if I will give you 3 lines, okay, and you have to find the area of that triangle, first check that it is a right angle triangle or not. If it is a right angle triangle, it will satisfy what? Pythagorean theorem. But it's not satisfying, then it means it is not a right angle triangle. You cannot easily find the area. So here Heron's formula comes into picture. Heron's formula is a simple formula which can give you the area of a triangle if all 3 lines, this line, and this line, the length of this line, it is known to you, you can easily find the area. How? Okay, let's talk about the formula. Formula is this. Now let's talk about what is S, what is A, what is B, what is C. Here, class, hello sir, hello, your name is Hafsa and I am new to you. Yeah, it's totally fine because we have just started this Heron's formula. Heron's formula doesn't require any previous knowledge. You don't need any previous knowledge to understand the Heron's formula. You just have to understand what is the motive of Heron's formula. Heron's formula is for to find the area of a triangle if all the lines of the triangle or all the sides of the triangle is known to you. Good evening, Abhishek. Good evening. Okay, now let's start the session now, guys. Like Heron's formula, start from here. Herons gave the famous formula for finding the area of a triangle in terms of 3 sides. The formula given by him is also known as Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Let's say you have a triangle. You have a triangle. Let's say the length of one side is A. let's say the length of one side is B, let's say the length of another side is C, then the area of this triangle will be nothing but under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. But what is S? S is known as half of perimeter. Half of perimeter. Perimeter means, sir, the perimeter is what? The length of boundary. So S is nothing. S is nothing. It's just perimeter. What is perimeter? Length of boundary. Means sum of all the sides of this triangle and divided by 2. Because half of it. That's how you can find the value of S. Just put the values here and you can find the area of triangle. Now, as I told you that this chapter contains only one formula. And based on one formula, if I will give you the question like you have all these sides, if I give you a triangle with all the sides, you can easily find this area. And from here, for surely you will get at least one question in your yearly examination. Examiner will not give you a kind of simple question like you have all the three sides and you have to find the area. We will do many questions regarding this. What you says? Okay, message was okay. Let's half the parameter of the triangle. Okay, now you guys are clear with what is S. Now you guys are clear with what is A, what is B, what is C. Okay, as I told you, examiner will surely give one question, at least one question from this chapter, and from this chapter you will get a quite good weightage marks question. Like you will get you will not get a question from like 1 marks or 2 marks. You will get 1 marks, 2 marks question like if you have a triangle, find the value of S. Find the value of S. You will get 1 or 2 marks question like this. But you will surely get a 4 to 5 marks question from this chapter. And that question will not going to be so simple. It's going to be easy but not the simple. Like let's take a simple question first. Let's say you have a triangle with lines 32, 40 and 24 and you can verify it is a valid triangle. How? Add any two line. The addition of any two line should be greater than third line. Greater than third line. Add these two, greater than this. Add these two, greater than this. And add this two, greater than this. Now let's try to find the value of S first. What is S? I told you S is nothing but the addition of all three lines means 32 plus 24 plus 40 divided by 2. Anyone want to give me the answer for the value? What is the value of S in comment section? 32 plus 40, 72. 72 plus 24, 76, 80, 96. 96 upon 2, 48. Answer is 48. Am I right? Can you tell me in comment section? Am I right? The value for this will be 48. Okay. Now, okay. 16 and 12, 18. Now, let's find out S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is right way to do it. Like if you follow this algorithm, it will be easy to calculate. If you follow this algorithm, it will be easy for you to calculate. S minus A. Let's say this is your A, this is your B, and let's say this is your C. Now let's find out S minus A. S minus 32, 48 minus 32, you will get 16. S minus B, 8. S minus C, 48, 24, 24. So you will get this. Okay. Now let's apply Heron's formula. I'm doing here. Then the area of triangle A, B, C is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B, I'm writing here, into S minus, oh sorry, okay, let's write somewhere else. Let's write here inside this triangle. The area will be under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, let's put the values now. Now, if I put the values, what I will get? Under root S 48 into S minus A 16, S minus B 8, S minus C 24. Now how to do it? You don't have to multiply all them and then find the under root. Okay, how you can do? You can see easily that sir 16 will come out as a 4. Okay, from 8 you can find the value 2 out of the root, and 1 2 will be there. How I'm finding it? Just do, okay, 16 is coming out without any problem, like you will get 4 under root. Now do prime factorization. What is the prime factorization of 8? 2 into 2 into 2 into, what is the prime factorization of 48? 2 into 24. 2 into 24, not prime factorization. Why I'm doing this? Because I will get 24 here, I have already 24 here. So 24 into 24 under root 24 will come out. So I can write 2 into 24, and we already have 24 here. 16 is already out. Okay, now see this, 124 will come out, 1 2, 1 more 2. So what you will get outside this? 1 4 is already there. Okay, 1 2, okay, another 2, okay, and 24. Now calculate it. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 24, 16, 16 4s are 16 4s are 64, 64, 6 carry, 16 2s are 32, 32 and 6, 38. Any doubt in this question, anyone? Any doubt in this question, anyone? How to do it again? First, try to find the value of S. What is S? Half of the total boundary of this triangle. Half of the total boundary of this triangle known as perimeter. Half of the perimeter. Okay. Boundary. How to find boundary? Sir, add all the sides. 32, 24, 40, 96. Half of 96, 48. Okay. Now find the values of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. These are. Now what is the Heron's formula? Area for triangle ABC is equal to under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is 48, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay. 16 can be we can write 16 outside the root, because 16 is perfect square. 16 is perfect square. Okay, 16 is a perfect square number of 4, so we get 4 outside. 48 can be written as 2 into 24. Why I am writing this? Because I already have 24 here, so I will get 24 into 24, and this is your 48, this is your 24, and this is your 8. And from here I get outside of the root what? 4 into 2 into 2 into 24. Anyone has any doubt in it? Anyone has any doubt in it? That was a simple type question, and you will not surely, most of the 90% of the case, that you will not get this question in your main examination, because examiner know that it's simple a one formula question. You know the formula, you can solve this easily. But what examiner will do? He will twist the questions. How? We will see such kind of question. Using Heron's formula, find the area of isosceles triangle with a unequal side as 8. Okay, we have a triangle. Okay, one side is 8 and it's an isosceles triangle. It means, sir, this will be 5 centimeter, this will be 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, it's centimeter. Don't get confused. It's centimeter. Okay. Now, see here. What is the value of S? What is the value of S? Sir, add all the lines and divide them by 2. You will get 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. Now find S minus A S minus B, S minus C. What is A, B and C? Consider it as A, this as B and this as C. Okay, S minus 5. 9 minus 5, 4 here, 4 here and 1, sorry, and 1 here. I can easily tell you the answer will be 4 will come out, 3 4 that I think 12, not sure, I think 12, because I can see easily 4 into 4, 4 will come out, 9 under root 9, 3 will come out, 3 4s are 12, answer will be 12. Okay, let's check it. Now the area of triangle is equal to under root Heron's formula, S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, now sorry, under root 9 S minus A, 4 S minus B, 4 S minus C, 1. For 9 you will get 3 out, 4 will get out. This was also a simple kind of question. Again, you will not get such a kind of question in examination in most of the cases. Okay. Now this question is quite interesting. Here the question is saying that the sides of a triangle are in ratio 12, 17 and 25. Okay, sir. Then it means we can, and the total perimeter, its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Okay. Now see guys, let's say you have a triangle, okay, and sides are in the ratio of 12, 17 and 25. Can I write, let's say this is 17x, 25x and what, 12x. Can I write in this way? Can I, like, you know about the ratio, you know about this concept from your previous classes. If something is given in this form, you can let that they are in this form. It means they are all the multiple of a single number. Now what it says that the perimeter is 450. I will get this equation, 12x 25x plus 17x is equal to 540. 540. Okay. 12 plus 25 plus 17. How much you will get? 25 and 12, 37. 7, 44, 54. 54x is equal to this. Any doubt till yet? Now from here you can find the value of x, and if you have the value of x, you can find the value of 12x, 25x and 17x. Now the x will be what? 10. Okay. Now what are these lines? Sir, this is 170, this is 250 and this is 120. Okay. Now what is s? Sir, add them and divide it by 2. You don't have to add. You have already the perimeter. You just have to divide this perimeter by 2. And don't get confused between my s and 5. You will get 250 plus 20, 270. 270. Any doubt till yet, anyone? Any doubt till yet, anyone? Now let's take this as A. Now let's find out A minus S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay. S minus A. Let's take any one of them S. Let's take 120 as A. S minus A. 120, 270 minus 120. 20 here, 250, 150. 150. 270 minus, let's take this B, 250 as B. You will get 20. Okay. Let's take C is equal to 170. Take 170, you will get 100. Okay. Then the area of triangle is equal to under root, again the formula is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now under root S, what is the value of S? 270 into 150 into 20 into 100. See this, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. You can use 4 zeros to get 100 out of this under root. How I am getting? You can write this 27 into 10, 15 into 10, 2 into 10 and 10 into 10, and take 4 tens, you will get 2 tens out of it, which is 100. Under root. What will be remain? So 27 from here, 15 from here, and 2 from here, and 10 from here. Again, you don't have to do multiplication. It will make it complicated. What we have to do? I'm doing here. We have 100 under root. 27 can be write as 9 into 3. 15, 3 into 5. 2 as 2. And 10, 2 into 5. See, 9. Sir, 9 is a perfect square number. You will get 3. These two 3, sir, 1 3. These two 5, 1 5. And these two 2, 1 2. And now solve it. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. 45 into 90. 90 into 100, 9,000. Am I right? Let me check again. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. 45 2s are 90. 90 into 100, yeah, 9,000. Any doubt? Anyone? Sir, how are you? I'm good. I'm good, Renuka. Thanks for asking, Renuka. Any doubt till yet, anyone? Or if you if you notice any calculation mistake, please let me know. And this is 5, okay? This one is actually 5. Okay, let's go for next one. Now from further question, I will give you only all the lines of the triangle, and next part you can do easily. An isosceles triangle has a perimeter of 30 and each of the equal line is 12. Find the area. Okay. See, total perimeter is 30. Okay, so you have such a triangle. One is 12, an isosceles, other is 12. I don't know this. 12 plus 12, 24. 24, and total perimeter is 30. 24, and how to make it 30? Sir, add 6, so it means this one is 6. This one is 6. See, I am just doing it verbally. When you do yearly examination, you have to mention everything, that how did you get this line. In mathematics, you have to mention everything, like what value you are getting. In the question, the value was not given that 6, that other side is 6. How did you get that? You have to mention that in your examination, okay, in your paper. How did you get that? Let's take this x, and two sides are 12 and the parameter is 30. It means 12 plus x, it should be equal to 30. From this equation, you will get x is equal to 6. Now what is s? Add them divided by 2. Sir, already given. The parameter is already given. You have to write perimeter by 2. And what is perimeter? 30 by 2 is equal to 15. Any doubt till yet? Okay. And what is the value of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c? Okay. Let's take this is your a, this is your b, and this is your c. S minus a, 15 minus 12, 3. 15 minus 12, 3. 15 minus 6, 9. Answer for this question will be 3 from here, 3 from here, and 3 from here. 3 3s are 9 root 15, I think. Let's check. Let's check. 15 minus 6, 9 is right. Okay. Now the area will be under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Okay, so 15 multiply by 3 and 9. 9 is perfect square, you will get 3. 3 and 3, you will get 3. Under root 15. Okay. This is the area in centimeter square. Okay, you get area in centimeter square. You know, when you have to find the area of a circle, what you do? Sir, pi r square. What is the area of square? Sir, side into side. What is the area of rectangle? Sir, length into breadth. And you are getting area into centimeter square. Why? Because you are doing two multiplying such a like lengths which are in centimeter, and you are multiplying two of them, like centimeter into centimeter, you are getting centimeter square. Check that thing in Heron's formula. Like if you check it, here I am doing it. See, under root, first you getting s, which is a centimeter, s minus a, which is also a centimeter, s minus b, also centimeter, into s minus c, also centimeter. 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4. Centimeter is centimeter to the power 4. But sir, we have under root. So centimeter to the power square 2. It means overall you will get centimeter square. Okay. This is a valid like this is a formula of square. Area. Like in further classes, like in 11th class and in physics, you have a chapter named measurements and something like the units and measurements and all. In there you have to check that a formula is valid to find this thing or not. Like let's say there is a formula. If I say the formula is for force, let's say is mass into velocity. What is the unit of force? Sir, kg into meter upon second square. But mass into velocity, if you do, you will not get kg into meter upon second square. You will get kg into meter upon second. So clearly this formula is not right. In that chapter you will study such a kind of like for your let's take example of distance upon time. Distance upon time is equal to speed. Okay, what is the unit for speed in centimeter and second? Sir, centimeter per second. Okay, this should be the unit for this part. Okay, what is the unit for distance? Sir, centimeter. What is the unit for time? Sir, second. Are you getting centimeter upon second? Yes sir, we are getting. So this formula is satisfying at least this relation. It doesn't mean that sir, if formula satisfies this relation, the formula is right. No, there should be a proper proof about that formula is right or not, but at least this should be satisfied. Okay, at least this should be satisfied. For example, if you want to let's say I have a daughter and her age is 4. Now school has this criteria that if you want admission in school, your age at least should be 3. It means it doesn't mean whoever get the admission, all those children has age 3. No, they can be 4, they can be 5, but surely they will be 3. So in a similar way, if formula is right, it means it will surely satisfy this condition. But if something is satisfying this condition, it doesn't mean that formula is right. Okay, formula is right, will satisfy the condition. Satisfying the condition, it doesn't mean the formula is right. Okay, the converse part is not true. And you will see many things in mathematics like this, like this part is true, but reverse part is not true. Okay, let's go for next. Okay, a traffic signal board indicate school head is an equilateral triangle with a side A centimeter. Find the area of a signal board using Heron's formula. Its perimeter is 180. Okay sir, only perimeter is given, the lines are not given. I will give you the lines. And it says equilateral triangle with all the sides are A, A, A. Okay. Now sir, the perimeter is 180. What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? 3 into A. A plus A plus A is coming out to be 180. Okay, then A must be what? 60 centimeter. And in the case of perimeter, in the case of equilateral, the Heron's question becomes so easy. Why? Because S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, all these three values will be equal. Let me show you. Okay, now if you find the what is the value of S first? Sir, 180 divided by 290. Okay, now put them into Heron's formula. Okay sir, but instead of A, B, C, we have A, A, A. Instead of A, B, C, we have A, 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 means S minus A into S minus A into S minus A. you will get s into s minus a 30, s minus a 30, s minus a 30. Easily this will come out. Easily this will come out, and you will get 30 outside into 90 into 30. Okay, 90 into 30. It is easy to solve. Like 0 and 0, sir, 110 will come out. 30 into 10, 300, and I will left with 9 into 3. So 9 is a perfect square number. 3 will come out. 3 into 300, 3 into 300 under root 3. So the answer will be 3 into 300, 900 root 3. An equilateral triangle has a direct formula to find the area. I think it's under root 3 a square by 4. Am I right? Under root 3 a square by 4. 60, 36, 9. Yeah. From that you will find the area, and you will get that the same value from that formula, a square into root 3 by 4. Okay. Now let's talk about the coordinators. What this Heron's formula has to do with the coordinator? You know, if you know all the lines of a coordinator and one diagonal, using Heron's formula you can find the area of coordinator too. How? Let's talk about it. Let's say I have a coordinator, a random coordinator. Okay, and like I know my lines are not straight, but let's assume that they are straight. Okay, and let's take any one of the diagonal. Let's say this is A, this is B, this value is C, this is D, and let's say this is E. And let's take A, B, C, D. Okay, don't you think that this area of this will be equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC? Don't you believe it? Like the area of coordinator is equal to the area of two triangles. One triangle this part, and other triangle is this part. Any doubt till yet? And to find the area of this triangle ABC, what we need? Sir, all the sides. We have this side, we have this side, and we have the value of this side. And how to find the area of this part? Sir, we need this side, and this side. So what is the conclusion? What you need to find the area of coordinator? Sir, we need five values. 4 the sides of the coordinator and one diagonal. Any diagonal. Sir, what if this diagonal was given? Then you have to find this triangle and this triangle. If you need just only one diagonal, it doesn't matter this one or this one. Okay, let's understand this using a question. Find the area of a coordinator. Okay, let's make a coordinator first. Let's say this is our coordinator. A, B, C, D. Okay, we have AB is 3 centimeter. Okay, BC is 4. Okay, CD is 6. Okay, DA is 5. Okay, anything else? AC, we are given AC, which is 5. Find the area of this triangle. Okay, let's find the area of this coordinator. Okay, let's take triangle ABC. Okay, the triangle ABC look like this. A, B, C. The value of AC is 5. The value of BC is 4. The value of this 3. Now, how to find the area? Sir, use Heron's formula. And by the way, I don't need to use Heron's formula. I can easily tell you the area of this triangle will be 3 4s are 12, 12 by 6. Answer will be 6. How I get this? I will tell you in the end of this question. Okay. Now, let's find out using Heron's formula. S value will be what? Sir, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 upon 2, 6. Let's find out S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C values. Take any one of them as A, B, and C. Let's take this 5, 3, 4. Okay. So 6 minus 5, 1. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 4, 2. Okay. Now use the Heron's formula. Okay. 6 into 2 into and 2 into 3 into 1. What did I say? 3 4 is 12. 12 upon 2, 6. Answer will be 6. C. 6 into what is this? Sir, 6 into 1 doesn't matter. Answer is 6. But how did I get that? I can easily see a famous Pythagorean triplet 3 4 5. Famous Pythagorean triplet 3 4 5. This is surely a right angle triangle. This is surely a right angle triangle. You can take this as a base and this as a height, or this as a base, this as a height. 1 upon 2 base into height, you will get 12 upon 2. Okay. Now let's take, now from here, take triangle ADC. ADC. Isosceles triangle it is, because 5 and 5 I am getting. This one is look like this. This is 5, this is 5. Not a right angle triangle for sure. Okay. S value will be what? 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, or upon 8, 2, 8. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay. Is it visible? Okay. Now, S minus 8 minus 5, 3, 3, 2. Answer for this question, 3 will come out, 2 8s are 16, and 4 will come out. 4 3s are 12, I think. 4 3s are 12, I think. So the area of this part you get 6, the area of this part you get 12. Area of this part is this, 18. Answer will be 18. How to find it? Sir, area of triangle 1, area of triangle 2, you will get the answer. Any doubt in this question, anyone? Any doubt, anyone? Okay. Okay, let's go for next question. Again, as I told you, examiner will not give you the question which is only related to Heron's formula. He will give some twist. You will need some other formulas also. Okay, not to find the area, but to find the required information, to find the area. Like for this question, what I need? I have a coordinator. Sir, we have this value, this value, this value, this value. Can I find the area of this coordinator? No, sir, you don't have the value of one of the diagonal. But you can easily find the value of this diagonal, this diagonal. Easily you can find the value of this triangle. Why? Because in the question it is given that this is 90-degree angle. It means this BCD is a right angle triangle. BCD is a right angle triangle. Sir, if this is a right angle triangle, it follows the Pythagorean theorem. It follows the Pythagorean theorem. What is the Pythagorean theorem? Sir, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square or altitude square or perpendicular square. Consider this as a perpendicular square, 25. Square of it, 25. Square of this, 144. 144 plus 25, 169. 160 under root 169, 13. So the value of this part is 13. Now find the areas of these triangles. I am doing directly. 13 plus 12, 25 plus 5, 30. S will be 30. 30 by 2, which is 15. Okay. Okay. Let's write S and 5 different. Like, let's write S is equal to 15. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. I am writing S like this because my S and 5 has not much difference. So you will get confused. S minus A, 15 minus 13, 2, 15 minus 12, 3, 15 minus 5, 10. How much you will get? Now from the Heron's formula, area of what? DBC. 15 into 2 into 3 into 10 is equal to under root 2 from there, 3 from there. Okay, 15 can be written as 5 into 3, 2, 3, 2 into 5. Easily you can see this. 5 and 5. Sir, 5 will come out. Okay. 5 will come out. Okay, right here. 5 will come out. 3 and 3, 3 will come out. 2 and 2, 2 will come out. 2 3s are sorry, I am having cold, sorry for that. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. This part 30. How to find the area of other part? Sir, 8 plus 13. 8 plus 13 plus 9. 8, 9, 9 to the 18, 17, 17 plus 30, 20, 30, 30 again 30. Let me check. 21 and yeah 30, 15. 15 minus 8, 7, 6 and 2. Under root 7, 6 and 2. 2 will come out, 3 root, 2 root 21. Okay. You don't have to do like, sir, I'm getting under root value, do I have to solve it? No, you can give the answer in the form of like 30 plus under root something. 30 plus 4 into under root 3. 30 plus 5 into under root 21. You can give the answer in that form also. Okay. Now one more. Okay. This question is important one because this question contain like, it's kind of, as I told you, that examiner will give you question with a twist. Okay, with a twist, like what is, and this diagram will not be there. You have to make this diagram. Understand the question, then make this diagram. How to do it? Let's do. See, first, what is given? You have a trapezium. Okay, we have a trapezium. One side is one parallel side is 10. Let's take this one as 10. One side is 25. Okay. Okay. And other two sides 14 and 13. Let's take this is 14, this is 13. Okay. Now what you can do, you can go with this, like if I make a line parallel to this line, see this line and this line is already parallel. Okay, and if I make this line parallel, what I will get? Sir, a parallelogram. Okay, let's say this is A, B, C, D, E. Don't you believe that AB, okay, let's take this as E and this thing. Don't you believe ABDC? But it's not rhyming. Let's choose another point. ABCD. I had this trapezium. I construct something. What? From the point C, you have to make a line parallel to DC. That line will intersect with the line AB at point E. Now, guys, don't you believe that, or that, sir, AECD will be a parallelogram. AECD will be a parallelogram, and this will be a parallelogram. Then AE will be what? Sir, equal to 10. Then EB. Sir, this complete is 25 and this part is 10. Then this must be what? This must be 15. 15. This is already 13. What about this? Sir, parallelogram. Sorry. It is a parallelogram. Then, sir, if this is 40, this must be 14. Okay. This must be 14. Okay. Now we have to find the area. Sir, we can easily find the area of this triangle using Heron's formula. Why? Because we have 14, 15, 13. All the length of all the sides. Okay, you can find. Now what? Sir, how to find the area of this parallelogram? What is the area of parallelogram? Sir, base into height. Okay. We have base. Yes, sir, we have base. What is the base? Sir, this part, which is 10. But we don't have height. But you can find the height. How? First, try to find the area of this triangle. If you find the area of triangle, okay. Now you guys are understand this this diagram. But in this diagram, what is the difference? Like I made a parallel line with DC with this part. But in this part take as 13 and that part as a 14. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You will get a triangle with the lines of 13, 14, and 15. 13, 14, 15 here. 13, 14, 15. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Now I'm erasing this part. Okay, Now find the area of this triangle first. Okay, I am doing directly 13, 14 and 15. How much you will get? Add them. 15 and 15, 30 and 12, 42. 42. S will be what? Oh. Okay, S will be what? S will be what? 42 by 2, 21. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, 21 minus 13, 14 and 15. If you do 13, how much? 7 and 8, 7 and 1, 8 and 7. Okay, and 6. Okay, now find the area. Sir, area will be area of what? Triangle CFB will be what? Under root 21, 8, 7 and 6. Okay, I can write under root 21 can be written as 7 into 3. 8 can be 4 into 2. Because 4 is a perfect prime number, that's why I am not writing in 2 into 2. Oh, sorry, not perfect prime, perfect square number. That's why I am writing only 4. 7 as it is, 6 can be written as 2 into 3. See guys, because of 4, I will get 2. Because of this 2, I will get 2. Because of this 7s, I will get 1 7. Because of this 3s, I will get 1 3. Then the area of this triangle will be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 7, 84. 84 centimeter square. Okay, sir, you have find the area of this triangle, but how to find the area of this parallelogram? For parallelogram, you need this distance. Okay. Do you guys believe that this distance and this distance will be equal? This is 90-degree angle. Yes, sir, this will be equal. Let's say this distance is x. This distance is x. How to find the area of that triangle using that height? Sir, base 1 upon 2 base into height. Okay, that 1 upon 2 base into height, area of that triangle will be equal to what? Sir, 1 upon 2 base, which is 15, into height. Into, give me a second. Yeah, into height, which is x. That is 15. Yeah. Now, this area coming out to be what? X will be what? Sir, x will be, okay, let's write 15 upon 2 is equal to what? 84. Yes, sir, 84. X will be equal to 2 into 84 divided by 15. Okay. From here, can you find the value of x? From here, can you find the value of x? Easily, sir. 8 and 4 divisible by 3. 2, 24, 8 times. Yeah. 2 and 20, 28. 2 into 28. 56. 56 upon 5. 56 upon 5, I think. If I have done any calculation mistake, you can check that. Let's check from here. I'm getting perfect square number. Okay, 7 2s are, okay, 7 3s are 21. 21 into 4, yeah, 20, 84. That's right. Okay, so I don't think so I have done any calculation mistake. Okay, and you can find the value of x. Now what? As I told you, the x is nothing but this, na. And now what? Sir, the area of parallelogram. Area of ADCF. ADCF will be equal to what? Sir, base into height. Height is what? 56 upon 5. This will get cut 2 times. 2 into 56. Sir, 112. So, total area. Total area will be equal to what? 112 plus 84. Add them and you will get the answer. Any doubt till yet? Anyone? Any doubt? Anyone? Now, for next question. See, again, same kind of question. Find the area of a trapezium. Okay, we have a trapezium. We have trapezium. These lines are parallel. Parallel side are 77 and 60. Okay, this is 77, this is 60. And other two sides are 25, 26. Okay, this is 25, this is 26. You can make a line which is parallel to this line. You can make line which is parallel to this line. Then this part will become what? 60. This is what? 25. And this is what? 60 is there, then it will be 17. How? The total is 77 and 60 is here, then remaining part is 17. Okay. Now for this triangle you have all the information, 25, 26, 17. It is a triangle. You can check the triangle inequalities. Find the area of this triangle. With the help of that area, find this. And this is what? Sir, the distance between these two parallel lines. And find the area of parallelogram. You can go with that also, or you can use the parallelogram, use the area of trapezium. What is area of trapezium? Average of both parallel sides into height, into the distance between them. Okay. Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt, anyone? Okay. So we have covered Heron's formula, and we have covered all type of question you have in your NCERTs. Okay. And like in Heron's formula, there is only two exercises. One is for only triangles, one is for coordinators. Okay. And examiner will not give you a simple question like you are using formula and you getting the answer directly. You using Heron's formula and you getting the answer directly. No, he will give you like you need to apply Heron's formula. You need what? A, B, C. The examiner will twist the question such that you have to find first A, B, and C. Or he will twist the question like you have a trapezium, like that question you saw. You will get such a kind of question in like you know that part 4 marks type questions, that question with a high weightage. You will get in get question in that. And when I was in 9th class, in half yearly maybe, or maybe in yearly, I got 2 marks question like find the value of S. Find the value of S. And I got 3 marks question or 4 marks question like it was given A, B, C. You have to find the area of the triangle. Okay. So that's all for today, and we have completed the Heron's formula completely. If you have any doubt, please ask. Otherwise, in next 1 minute, we are going to end this session. If you have any doubt, please let me know in comment section. Otherwise, we are going to end this session. Okay. Okay, we are ending this session. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye.